Heineken produces over 170 million barrels of beer in the US alone. But what happens inside their factory to create this massive output? We spent $10,000 to find out if the process behind one of the world's most popular beers is as impressive as its sales figures. Heineken's journey began on February 15, 1864, when Gerard Heineken purchased the Haystack Brewery in Amsterdam. The company's rapid ascent in the beer industry was marked by its status as the largest beer exporter in France by 1875. This early success laid the foundation for Heineken's global dominance in the centuries to come. Today, Heineken operates on an unprecedented scale, with a presence in 190 countries worldwide. The company's U.S. operations alone produce over 170 million barrels annually, demonstrating the brand's massive global reach. This extensive production raises questions about the intricacies of Heineken's brewing process. How does the company maintain consistency across such vast quantities? What techniques and technologies are employed to ensure quality at this scale? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world behind one of the most iconic beer brands, Heineken. Get ready for an exclusive look inside their factory to uncover the secrets behind their brewing process. Don't forget to subscribe. At the heart of Heineken's global success lies a surprisingly simple recipe. How does a beer made from just 3 ingredients dominate the international market? The answer reveals an unexpected connection between ancient brewing wisdom and cutting-edge technology. Heineken's formula consists of water, malted barley, and hops. While this might seem basic, the careful selection and precise combination of these elements form the foundation of Heineken's $10 billion empire. Water constitutes approximately 95% of Heineken beer, underscoring its critical role in the brewing process. The company's rigorous quality control measures ensure that only the purest water is used, directly impacting the flavor and consistency of the final product. This commitment to water quality is a key factor in maintaining Heineken's signature taste across its vast global production. Malted barley serves as the primary source of fermentable sugars in Heineken's brewing process. Barley is preferred for its high starch content, which is crucial for fermentation. The malting process involves soaking barley grains in water, allowing them to germinate, and then drying them to halt germination. This process activates enzymes that convert starches into sugars necessary for fermentation, laying the groundwork for Heineken's distinctive flavor profile. Hops, the flowers of the hop plant, contribute both bitterness and aromatic qualities to Heineken beer. The alpha acids in hops act as the primary bittering agents, while other compounds in the cones influence the flavor profile, adding notes such as pine, citrus, or floral aromas. Heineken's careful selection of hop varieties plays a crucial role in achieving its balanced taste. The relationship between these 3 ingredients and Heineken's brewing process is intricate and carefully managed. The company's focus on ingredient quality is a significant factor in its global success, ensuring a consistent product across its massive production scale. This commitment to quality begins with the rigorous selection of ingredients and continues throughout the entire brewing process. Heineken's brewing process is designed to maintain consistency across its global production. This is achieved through strict quality control measures during ingredient selection and throughout the brewing stages. The company's ability to replicate its signature taste in breweries around the world is a testament to the precision of its methods and the quality of its ingredients. The malting process, in particular, highlights Heineken's blend of tradition and innovation. While the basic principles of malting have remained unchanged for centuries, Heineken employs advanced technologies to monitor and control every aspect of this crucial stage. This ensures that the enzymes activated during malting are consistent across batches, setting the stage for uniform fermentation. With the malted barley prepared, Heineken's brewing process enters its most critical phase. How does a company producing millions of barrels annually ensure each drop tastes identical? The answer lies in a carefully orchestrated dance of temperature, timing, and technology that would make a Swiss watchmaker envious. Heineken's brewing process begins with mashing, where malted barley is mixed with hot water to extract fermentable sugars. This crucial step creates a sugary liquid called wort, which forms the foundation of the beer. The mashing process is meticulously controlled, with temperatures gradually increased from 100 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 to 77 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature control activates specific enzymes in the malt, converting starches into the sugars necessary for fermentation. Once the mashing is complete, the wort is separated from the solid grain remains. These grain leftovers aren't wasted. They're dried and sold as animal feed, demonstrating Heineken's commitment to sustainability even in the early stages of production. The next critical stage is boiling, which typically lasts between 60 to 90 minutes. This step serves multiple purposes. It sterilizes the wort, eliminating any unwanted microorganisms, and plays a crucial role in developing the beer's flavor profile. During boiling, hops are added at specific intervals. Hops added early in the boil contribute to the beer's bitterness, while those added later enhance its aroma and flavor. This careful timing of hop additions is key to achieving Heineken's signature taste. Boiling also aids in clarifying the beer by causing proteins in the wort to coagulate and settle. This process contributes to the clear, golden appearance that Heineken is known for globally. After boiling, the wort must be rapidly cooled before yeast can be introduced. Heineken employs advanced heat exchangers to quickly bring the temperature down to between 7 and 35 degrees Celsius. This rapid cooling is crucial for maintaining the beer's quality and preparing it for the next stage, fermentation. Fermentation is where the magic truly happens. Yeast is introduced to the cooled wort, initiating the process that converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Primary fermentation for Heineken typically lasts between 1 to 2 weeks, depending on various factors. This stage is closely monitored to ensure consistency across millions of barrels. Throughout the entire brewing process, Heineken implements rigorous quality control measures. Trained evaluators regularly conduct taste tests to assess flavor and aroma, ensuring each batch meets the brand's exacting standards. Additionally, chemical analyses are performed to measure critical factors such as alcohol content and bitterness levels. Heineken's commitment to quality is clear. But what about its vision for the future? The company's $10 billion plan aims to transform not just how beer is made, but how it's delivered and consumed. What groundbreaking changes are on the horizon for this centuries-old industry? Heineken's approach to innovation and sustainability is reshaping the beer industry. The company has introduced a fleet of electric delivery trucks, starting in Amsterdam in 2013. This initiative aims to minimize Heineken's environmental impact while maintaining its global reach. The company is testing this program in Amsterdam and Rotterdam, with plans to expand electric vehicle deliveries across their operations. Adapting to changing consumer preferences, Heineken launched Heineken 0.0, a non-alcoholic beer that caters to health-conscious consumers and non-drinkers. This strategic move allows Heineken to tap into new markets and maintain relevance in an evolving industry landscape. Heineken's commitment to sustainability extends beyond transportation. The introduction of the Fobo bottle in France exemplifies the company's efforts to reduce its carbon footprint. This innovative bottle design allows consumers to share their stories via a unique code, encouraging recycling and reducing the carbon footprint by 70%. To foster creativity and drive continuous improvement, Heineken has implemented the iLabs Accelerator program. This initiative encourages new ideas within the company, ensuring that innovation remains at the forefront of Heineken's operations. Balancing tradition with innovation is crucial for Heineken's continued success. While maintaining its status as a premium beer, the company is actively adapting to changing consumer preferences and environmental concerns. This approach allows Heineken to preserve its heritage while embracing modern technologies and sustainable practices. Heineken's marketing strategies play a significant role in maintaining its global relevance. With a substantial U.S. marketing budget of $404 million, the company invests heavily in brand promotion and partnerships. These efforts, combined with product innovations and sustainability initiatives, help Heineken maintain its position as a leading global beer brand. The brewing giant's focus on sustainability and innovation extends to its production processes. Heineken continually updates its brewing techniques and equipment, to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. This includes implementing energy-saving technologies in its breweries and optimizing water usage throughout the production process. Heineken's commitment to sustainability also influences its packaging choices. The company is exploring alternatives to traditional packaging materials, aiming to reduce waste and increase recyclability. This includes initiatives to reduce the weight of bottles and cans, as well as experimenting with eco-friendly packaging options. Heineken's global impact extends far beyond its iconic green bottles. With a presence in 190 countries, Heineken holds a 1.5% share of the global beer market, ranking as the 7th best-selling beer brand worldwide. In 2016 alone, the company sold over 42 billion pints of beer, demonstrating its massive production scale and popularity. Understanding Heineken's meticulous brewing process and unwavering commitment to quality enhances appreciation for the craftsmanship behind each bottle. The company's careful selection of ingredients and rigorous quality control measures ensure consistency across its vast production. Heineken's story represents a unique intersection of tradition, innovation, and global business in the modern beer industry. With a diverse portfolio of over 300 brands and a global market penetration of 98%, Heineken has successfully balanced its rich brewing heritage with cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices. This approach has allowed the company to maintain its position as a leading global beer brand while adapting to changing consumer preferences and environmental concerns. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how Heineken beer is crafted inside their factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more behind-the-scenes looks at iconic brands. See you in the next video.